Welcome back. Today we're getting a toy. Zoe Fun World.
Hi Zoe.
Hi Papi.
So today you're going to pick a toy to take home, okay?
Yeah.
Good. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes, are you excited? Look how many toys they have here at the store. Wow. They have a lot of toys.
Yeah.
Look. Okay, so pick a toy, and that's the one you're going to be taking home for today, okay?
Okay.
Which toy do you want?
I want just this one.
Wow, you want Miss Potato?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Whoa.
Let me see. Wow, it's very pretty. It has a purse.
Yeah.
Let me see. It has shoes, big ears. Wow.
I have a leg.
And it has some lips.
And having an ear, another ear, a purse, and a hand, another hand, and a feet, another feet, and a leg, and a mouth, and a tongue, and an eyes, and a head, and then a body.
That's the one you want?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go pay.
Yeah.
Let's go. Well, you ready, Zoe, to open your toy?
Yeah.
It's Miss Potato.
Potato.
Good
Let's
job.
open it.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna get.
Wow, Zoe, it's Miss Potato.
Yeah.
Zoe, what color is the purse of Miss Potato?
This color pink.
Pink. Good job. What color is the hair?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is the shoe?
Red.
Good job. What color is the nose?
Pink.
Good job. What color are the ears?
Pink and pink.
How many ears does she have?
1, 2.
Good job, Zoe. Hawk, what color is the hand?
White
Good job, Zoe.
and white.
Yes. Can you take off the nose?
Yeah.
Ah! You can take off the mouth too? What? Ah! Ah! What? Is that Miss Potato?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh! Ah!
Empty out.
You were gonna take it off?
Yeah.
Okay. Again? Another one?
Yeah.
The shoes too? Another one?
Yeah.
What?
Coming.
What? Is that Miss Potato?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, kids, let's put together. First, let's put other boots. Our hair, little hair. It's color. Okay, kids, let's do the pink ear.
Wow, she's almost there.
And
What's next, Zoe?
eyes.
Her eyes.
Go over here. It's going.
Wow, her eyes are beautiful. What's next on Miss Potato Head?
Mouth.
Wow, the mouth.
Let's go now.
Okay.
A
Let me see Miss Potato with the mouth.
Okay.
What? Hi, Miss Potato.
Hi. This is the second.
What's next, Zoe?
Arm.
Her arm. Okay. Hi, guys. I'm Miss Potato. Hi. What's next, Zoe?
A nose.
Her nose. Okay.
The nose.
You got her nose?
Yeah.
Let me see. Wow. Let me see. I think you need a little push.
Okay.
There you go, Miss Potato.
And our arm.
Her arm. Okay, Zoe. What's next?
Our arm's a purse.
Wow, her purse. Hi, kids. I'm Miss Potato. Wow, Zoe. You finished Miss Potato.
Yeah.
How does Miss Potato talk?
Hi, guys. I'm birthday mommy. I'm a potato.
You're Miss Potato?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's do it again.
Okay. Okay, Zoe, we're gonna try to do a silly face with Miss Potato, okay?
Okay.
Just like in the picture on the box.
So let's get started. Listen to the phone.
Uh-oh. What? Upside down?
Yeah.
Good luck, Miss Potato. Okay, we're...
Look at the nose.
What? What? Miss Potato, can you talk? Where are you gonna put the ice?
Here.
What? That is so silly.
Yeah.
She's definitely not looking okay.
Yeah.
I think Miss Potato needs some vacation.
Yeah.
What? Show it to the kids.
Hello.
What? What a silly Miss Potato. Wow, Zoe. You really did some creation in here, Zoe.
Yeah. There you go.
Wow. Let me see Miss Potato. What? Her tongue is out. Zoe, how does Miss Potato do with her tongue out? Ah!
Okay, kids. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up. Subscribe. I hope you're liking the video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, kids.